What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. I'm trying a new camera situation out. This is called Director's View. But anyways, today we are going to take a look at the cheapest Hellcats currently available at IAA across the country. We're going to look at those today and see if there's any good buy it now deals and see where we get with it. Got an update video for you guys coming on the BMW. Things are looking good there. And we have so much more coming very, very soon. And if you like this director's view where we can see each other and talk and whatnot while you can see what's going on in front of me, I think we might start doing this for the walkarounds just because it's different. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Let's go ahead and jump in and see what we're able to find. Sorry guys, I actually just got done. I just left the VA over here. Had to see a doctor as a supplement to the doctor I'm seeing for my car accident. So that's why when people are going to be like, well, you way out here, TK out on Pecos Road, you were at the VA. Yes, I was at the VA. All right, let's get into it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, look, I'm right back. We are back in and doing a quick search. We're on the way to go link up with my bro Mike for lunch, but looking at a quick search to see what we got this week, it looks like, let me move my camera, 159 results available. And let's take a look at this first one. It's a 2016 Charger SRT Hellcat. I think that's the very first year of the Charger Hellcat, right? 67,000 miles on it. Front end collision, it looks like. Not terrible. The Charger's actually really easy to take those panels and stuff off, especially in the front. Got a broken window, it looks like, on that side. Airbags did deploy. That sucks. So you got to replace the friggin' dashboard. I've seen some people actually do repairs on the dashboard, and they look actually very passable. And look pretty decent. Oh, this one's no longer available for bidding. That literally popped up while we were here. So that thing just sold. Like literally while we're here, that thing just sold. All right, let's look at this 2020. It's a collision. It's a rollover. North Hollywood. That's something I could go look at. Oof. I don't know. I kind of always wonder, like, these are very heavy, wide cars. You got to really screw up to roll one of these cars. It always amazed me. That door is done. Yeah, airbags, roof, sunroof. Yeah, like this is a parts car. Or, I mean, you could make it a race car. I mean, you could gut it, put a roll cage in it, and make it a drag car. Nobody gives a shit if the body panels are dented. I mean, if you're fast, right? 14,000 is the current bid. All right, let's look at the next one. We got a 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. That's the very first year for the Hellcat too, right? Was it 15? I think it was 15. The very first year. Nice. I don't know what color red that is. I don't think is it a Dodge specific color? Like this is the thing I like about this is what I liked about Mopar, is like they had their own things, like plum crazy purple. The F8 green is just my favorite, obviously. But this one's got damage like on every friggin' panel. Oh yeah, bent rear end, bent axles. Oh wow! But look at the engine though. Yeah. See, prime candidate for a swap right there. That is a prime candidate for a swap right there. Just take that engine out and keep it moving, right? Add that. Yeah, that's my watch list. All right, 2019 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. This thing looks like it was wrapped around a tree. Wow! We got to download those images. I need those in my life because that might have to be the thumbnail. Yo! How do you? What the fuck? Wow! Look at the dash. The damn shit where the screen was just like, wait, Yo, what did you do? How fast were you going when you ate shit? That engine's got to be busted. I bet you the engine, well, I don't know. Look, every light is on the dashboard. The fact that it still gets power is insane. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. The engine might be okay. It might be okay. I mean, for $1,100, that would be a decent risk. I wouldn't care. How about a $25 Hellcat? 25 bucks? Really? 25 bucks? Come on now. $25? I gotta screenshot this because I had to post that as like a clickbaity thing on Instagram or something. $25 for a Hellcat. Now we all know it's not gonna sell for that, but oof. I think even when DIY Gang bought his and it was like burnt, there was nothing left. It was just a shell, burned out. I think he still paid like $3 grand or whatever. The motor looks solid. I had it on my watch list for 25 bucks. That other Hellcat wrapped around a tree though. Whew, God, whew. We got a 2020 from Dream Rides. Looks all right. Looks like it's got some right front on the collision. It's at 75 bucks. That's not bad. That's it, 75 bucks. Oof. We got an 18. And I'm gonna guess that was probably a theft. Yeah, theft, stripped. They stripped that joint, boy. That's a wrap. I don't know who had that in Dallas, but I know you got to be hot. You got to be mad. They find your shit and it's all stripped out. Nothing left. There's another Hellcat. Looks like somebody ate crap in. Oh yeah, you rolled that. Woof. Wow. We need to give these boys like Honda Civics, all right? Car Source, title not available yet. Buy it now, price 85 grand. 2021 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat. It's a wide body. Is it a red eye? I'm looking at the hood. Let's look at the hood and see if we have a red eye hood. It's probably not. Doesn't look like, I mean, it doesn't look like it, so. Custom exhaust, meaning that shit is straight pipe. There's another one here. It's funny that they got, and this one's 80 grand. This is a 2020. It's funny that they got dealers now listing cars on IAA, and not even just IAA, COPART. I've seen a couple other online auction sites where they list them as well. It's just really weird. Yeah, these are all dealer cars now, which is crazy. Well, this one's not. Virtual lane C. It is a dealer car. So they got dealers literally listing cars on the site, which I kind of don't like. It kind of like takes away from the whole deal thing of buying a salvage car, you know. But dealers aren't stupid. They're looking at you, the general public, overpaying for cars. So they're like, screw it, let's just throw this in here. But so that sucks that a lot of these are actually like dealer vehicles. Let me scroll down a little bit and see. Yeah, these look like they're all dealer. Oh, wait a minute. We got some more outside. Yeah, SRT Hellcat Red Eye, baby. There we go. Uh-oh. Little undercarriage damage, probably only 16,000 miles. Uh-oh. That's another one. It was a theft. It's in Baltimore. It's from USAA. I would not normally even bid on something like this if it had a waiting for title thing. But where it is USAA, they're usually really good about the title. Even if they're not good about other things. They're usually pretty good about the title. But a red eye, that's not bad. Wow. Well, all right, guys, that's actually going to do it for me. I am done. I just wanted to do a quick, 8 to 10 minute video with you guys, showing you that these kind of cars are available. It does suck that dealers are now kind of like dropping cars into a salvage auction. I don't know why you would do that, but I get it. They see that the general public is overpaying for salvage vehicles, so why not put in some clean title cars and see if we can make more money, through the auction as opposed to selling it to a customer. I get it. I get it. I get it. But anyways, we're gonna keep it rolling. I'm gonna go do my lunch, man. If you like this kind of video, if you like the information, and if you want to see, if you guys want like a custom coupon code or something for IAA, let me know. I haven't created one or asked for one from the company yet, but if you guys want one and you guys want to be able to sign up and save on a membership with them, if you want to be able to bid and look at cars and stuff yourself, just let me know. I'll have them make me a coupon code and we'll keep it moving. But that's going to do it for, so many Hellcats at IAA. This just gives you, like I said, this video basically just gives you a brief overview, shows you how many are available, and that there actually are some deals. I mean, especially if you're doing a motor swap. Some of those cars are going to go for like $2,500, and the motor's probably good. It's a risk, but it's probably good. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you guys very much for tuning in today and watching today's video. And I will see you guys very soon on the next one. Look at that beautiful city over there. I don't know, I kind of like the director's view, man. I like to be able to see y'all and then y'all can see out. It's kind of cool, right? Anyways, let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks again for watching.